to the west coast. Excited. Wow. Hello people, I'm Max and I'm exploring New Zealand. Today I'll be going to my favorite ride, the West Coast. But before I do that, I'm gonna get a thank you gift for Pete, because it's just been great. He's been a great host, a great tour guide. Then I'm off through the Haast Pass, up the West Coast in the direction of Hokitika, and we'll see how far I come. Got the flowers, should be enough. Well, I think I did good. Got a smile from Pete, so final goodbye to this mini paradise and off to the west coast. Excited! Cue the music, enjoy the ride. Before I drive the best part of the west coast, I still owe you a drone story. If you've seen all the vlogs, you know that I lost my drone at Tekapau. I can show you a clip. So it lost connection somewhere over there. Oh, it's no longer connected. What a dramatic turn of events. And the next day I went on a mission to find it. Managed to install this software. I actually find that it landed pretty close to here. Somewhere around there, a little bit close to that trees. We found it! Oh, it doesn't work. Now I had to repair it.
It's gonna crack.
Yeah, it's gonna crack, yeah. And in order to repair it, we needed proper tools. Right, so I got pretty much all I need, a custom set. Take a second attempt with the proper tools.
1, 2, 3.
And then we did a third attempt.
See that thing there? That's like a...
We had to solder on the wires and everything is really precise. And we broke a part of the circuit board. The drone is beyond repairing right now. So unfortunately the drone now belongs to the 2 wheels max set of broken parts. Wow. Somebody said it feels like dinosaurs could still live here. And it's been stuck in my head ever since. I agree. Wow. Even the plants have plants growing on them. So this is Franz Joseph Glacier. Wow. I picked a campsite. Cool entrance. Wow. Haha. This is very cool. Been a great ride. This is a rewarding ending. Lake Mahinapua. And I'm already excited for the ride tomorrow. Drove 408 today, so that's quite a big one. Wow, what's that? Cool. Let's do this one. Right, let's set up camp. Let's not wake everybody up here and get out of here. Good morning. This is the Lake Mahinapua campsite, and Mahinapua means fragments of the moon, which is quite cool. I think the name comes from the way the moonlight is scattered and reflects in the water, and it's one of the few lakes that is surrounded completely by native rainforest. So I had a little walk through native rainforest this morning, and you could hear the birds with a very unique and distinctive sound. Very cool. So today I'm very excited. I'll be doing the drive from Greymouth to Westport once again, and it looks like it's going to be dry, and the sun has even joined us. So I think it's going to be incredibly cool first 1 or 2 hours. After that I'll move on through the Haast Pass to Hanmer Springs. So today I'm going from a lake surrounded by native rainforest to hot water springs in an alpine area. Yeah, only in New Zealand, I suppose. Maybe I'll stop for lunch at my favorite pub in Charleston. Wow, yeah. So cool. Somebody just told me to stop because there's an 8-meter wide house coming. Let me stop in a safe spot. It's way safer to stop here, mate, because it's wider here. There's the house. Quite cool. We are Charleston Tavern. Is it open? Oh, it's open. This is where I had a great time. Some food and some good conversations with the bartender and guests. So let's see if they're here and they've got some food for me. Oh, see if they remember me actually. Maybe not. Alright. Glad to see Russell's still okay. No, that was great. Good coffee, good food, good music, good company. What more do you want? Moving on to Haast Pass. Right. It's a bit wet. Bit of a landslide happened. Right, the Hanmer Springs turn of point. New Zealand's alpine spa village. Off-road. Doesn't say anything about self-contained, and I think they're toilets, but have to be sure though. Ah, those are the toilets. Maximum of 10 vehicles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh my god. It even says a tent. Right, well, this is the camp spot. Maybe we can ask the neighbors to watch an eye in the tent while I go into town. Anyway, bye. Wet. So, arrived to the freedom campsite here. Oh, careful. Parked the bike, put up the tent. Next to me was a couple that were from the same town where my mom grew up, back in the Netherlands. The odds are probably a bit higher than I would think, but still, funny. Really nice people, lovely to meet them. Wim and Gerda. That sounds funny in English, doesn't it? Really great to share a drink with them. The original plan for me was to go through either Rainbow Road or Molesworth Station, because they're both excellent routes. Unfortunately, well, you can see it's going to be a very wet day. So driving through Kaikoura all the way up to Blenheim, where I'll be staying with Ekaterina, the YouTube commenter. First, a quick stop at Hanmer Springs, because I haven't actually been there yet. There's no such thing as bad weather, only bad clothes. Ladies and gentlemen, Hanmer Springs. There must be a bigger supermarket here, right? Right. Foursquare. Got some food. This guy has been driving circles for a while. I think I have to come back here with better weather. What do you think? Can't always be like this. Looks nice. Right, I'll head off to Kaikoura. So I made it to Kaikoura. So in the 2016 earthquake of 7.8 magnitude, it had 30 times the force of the earthquake in Christchurch. But what happened here during the earthquake is that the seabed rose by about 1.5 meters, dispersing all the water with it and expanding the coastline. But it's pretty impressive to see, and the people that heard the noise mainly heard the disturbing noise of all the water that was being dispersed. Alright, I'm gonna warm up a bit. Had a nice coffee, warmed up a bit, and now I'm gonna do one long stint to Blenheim, Ekaterina said she'll put on the fire, so that will be great. Unfortunate that I can't show you any more of Kaikoura. Another reason to come back here. Let's push on! I made it to Blenheim. Hopefully I'm gonna warm up by the fire. Hope the weather clears up a bit, but I'm afraid it won't happen. Anyway, I've made it to Blenheim. Today might have been the most awful drive of the trip. Just full rain. Doesn't matter. Tomorrow I'll take the ferry back to the North Island and head back north, and I'll take some time to reflect on the trip. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye. Oh, hi. Oh my God.
How are you?
Wet. How are you? Nice to meet you. All the way in the back? Oh, thank you. Amazing.
This is going to be on YouTube.